Arwaru a murimu wa kansa ya muthiori ni mauritwo murigo wa marihi maiguru ma urigitani wa murimu uyu thutha wa NHIF na kambuni ya Johnson & Johnson wikiranira ngirimiti ya gucokia thii thogora wa urigitani. Kwa ihinda riri kwamukira urigiti wa murimu wa kansa ya muthiori guku bururi-ini ni muigana wa ciringi mirioni 1.2 no riu thutha wa ngirimiti ino arwaru aria mari rungu rwa motungata ma NHIF ngarama ya urigiti igicoka thi nginyagia ciringi 600,000.
The adjustment that has been made is actually a difference of more than 50% reduction in the price from the current market price. So, and this is accessible to NHIF members.
The operation we just signed is one step on the way to provide the same chances to Kenyan patients than to any other patients in the world. So that means for us it's super important to be together with the local authorities, to work together with the medical community.
Kurigana na murugamiriri munene wa Ruhonge rwa NHIF Dagitari Peter Kamunyo augite ona thengia wa ruhonge ruru kuitukira ngirimiti ino gucokia thi ngarama ya urigitani a Kenya mahimbirie mutugo wa guthiaga guthurimo mahinda kwa mahinda niguo murimu ukanyitikanaga mbere ya utheremete makiria.
This partnership with Johnson & Johnson and NHIF, the main outcome of this is that we'll be able to get life-saving, quality of life-changing medication for prostate cancer fitting within our benefit package so that we have more people being able to access treatment and to save them from catastrophic expenditure, because we know that is the biggest challenge in healthcare in terms of people having to spend out of pocket.
Mirimu iria itagwatanagio guku bururi-ini ni koretwo iri murigo muritu kuri ya Kenya kuona kaingi na kaingi andu a wendi mwega kuma nja wa bururi makoragwo makirumbuiyania na mirimu iria igwatanagio uguo hari bata Kenya gutigirira ni makorwo na mirire miega guthurimagwo mahinda kwa mahinda niguo gwithema nditira yumanaga na ngarama ya kuriha marihi ma thibitari.
So critical for many reasons, but let me just summarize one. Health financing in this country and across the continent of Africa is a big challenge. Number one, because of that, only 40% of people in the entire continent of Africa have access to any form of health services in a way that they don't have to worry about who pays for them. Actually, it's much lower. Even access to services is already a problem. But when you come to cancer, hypertension and diabetes, actually 80% of the amount you spend is actually out of pocket. It's actually it's higher for cancers, hypertension and diabetes, the amount of money we spend, because there are no donors around there.
O mwaka arwaru eru 42,116 a murimu wa kansa nio mandikithagio na hari namba ino arwaru 3,400 aria murimu wa kansa ya muthiori guku arwaru 1,740 nio makuaga kumana na kansa ya muthiori. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retorokani wa Wanjiru wa Foro.